Right, so I'm going to show you how to insert an SD card into your Insta360 Luna Ultra. Now this takes a micro SD card, and holding the camera like this, if you go to the right hand side, you will see this little door. So you want to poke your fingernail in there and then just open it up like this. And in there is the micro SD card slot. So now to put your SD card, it does take, like I said, a micro SD card. What you want to do is hold the micro SD card like this, and you want the contacts to be facing up. Okay, so you insert it like this into that little hole, and then you use the tip of your finger to push it in until you hear it click in place. There you go. Once it clicks in place, you can let go and push this into cover. Now to remove, again, open that little door, and then you want to push it in, and then it's going to unlock itself and come off. So you're gonna hear it. You're going to hear it. Simple as that. Then now you can pull it out, and that is how to insert and remove a micro SD card from your Insta360 Luna Ultra. Thanks for watching, and good luck.